Hello, this is Leo from Leo 2 Part 1, and this is Scooter here, and in Leo 2 Part 2 I'm going to show you the extractions of this thing, and oh, what is this? Ah, it's Darcy Morgan. You want to be a part of this film, don't you? Now, do you want to see what this thing does? Okay, Darcy, now let's see what this thing does. Attack! This thing is attacking you, isn't it, screen? Viewers, if you like this, it's vomiting all after you. Boing, 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 boing. You see, this thing actually moves. Yeah, and in the second part, I'm going to show you the instructions. And Susie, you can stop now. Yeah. Goodbye, everyone, and goodbye.